someone's first snowfall.
Every star holds a memory, if you know how to look.
That's me?
Even the smallest laugh leaves light behind.
Look, Bear! It's beautiful!
Stories never vanish. They live where hearts remember.
I miss her voice so much.
Some dreams get lost on the wind, but never forgotten. This one feels like it waited for me.
Music is memory's gentle mirror. I'd forgotten how it felt to be seen.
Even little hearts dream big. And sometimes they just need someone to believe.
I thought that moment was gone.
Time remembers what we forget. Kindness is the only path that builds itself.
Every step feels like someone saying thank you.
Look, Bear! It's glowing! I have a light inside me! Yes, Mashie, it was always there!
This is who you've always been.
I never knew I carried so much light.
Oh, look, Bear! That one! It's beautiful! A splendid choice, little one! The nebula awaits!
Be careful, Mashie!
The journey is yours to choose.
Then I choose to keep going, together.
Memories aren't just remembered, they're relived.
Look at the dragon constellation! It's breathing fire!
It is magnificent, isn't it?
Kindness leaves a trail, even in the stars.
Even fears deserve a voice.
This story was lost forever.
Time listens to kindness.
You waited for me all this time?
Your heart is the brush, let it sing. Some dreams simply wait to be remembered.
Wow! Look at all the kindness! It's everywhere!
Kindness outlives the moment.
Every melody remembers who sang it. Every step it sings.
Because your heart is listening. This is our first adventure. You remember?
I can sing underwater.
And the sea will sing back.
Look, Bear, it's so sparkly. Come on, catch up.
I'm right behind you, Mashie.
Belief makes the bridge.
Then believe in everything.
Ah! That's my mom's lullaby. Stars remember what we don't. Even time listens to your heart. Then mine says thank you. It's whispering. Look, Bear. The journey is the reward. I miss you. Then the wind will carry your love.
Even shadows are part of the light.
Then I'll embrace them too. Wherever you go, carry this. It feels like home.
Thank you for believing in me. Your journey is just beginning. Each step, it's like reliving our happiest moments.
Because you carry them with you, always.
Kindness lives in even the quietest songs. Wow, look, Bear! The magic is inside you, Mashie.
Even in doubt, you were brave.
I promised I'd never let go.
And you didn't.
That was my voice when I was small.
Your heartbeat shapes the night.
I forgive myself.
Dreams wait. Not forever, but long enough.
This promise was never just mine.
This is the most beautiful place in the whole wide world. I love it.
This is where the journey becomes yours.
True understanding comes in the quiet between thoughts.
It's
Like hearing time itself.
I remember this, my first dream.
Memories always return to those who are ready.
Welcome, little ones.
Are you ready for the journey?
Yes, Mr. Fairy Keeper, we are. Goodbye.
Little fear.
May you drift gently.
What you see is the dream you've already begun.
It's beautiful. Look, Bear, it's glowing. It's so beautiful.
You did the best you could.
Thank you.
Elara, Theron, Lyra. We remember the forgotten names.
I am Mashie, Dreamwalker. I am Bear, Keeper of Joy.
I thought I would climb forever.
No one climbs alone.
Welcome, little one. Do you see the paths ahead?
Wow, they're so beautiful. Every step brought me here.
And I wouldn't trade it.
Keep laughing, little one.
It makes the flowers grow.
They are magnificent.
Laughter is sunshine for the soul.
Then this garden must be glowing.
Tonight, you dream for tomorrow.
And tomorrow, we follow them. It's like painting with feelings.
Exactly. The sky remembers every emotion ever felt.
Bear, look! When I touched the petalina flower, it sang to me and made golden dust. It's magic! I made them sing a burr.
Even silly songs bring joy.
Oh, wow! Look at the birthday party! I remember this, Bear. It was so much fun! That was my first dream, to heal broken wings. And you're still doing it.
Giggles are echoes of the soul.
Wow, look, Bear! It's the reflection fox, and she looks just like me, but sparkly.
I didn't know I looked that strong. That's how I've always seen you.
No melody is truly lost if it's remembered in time bends for the brave. That one was my wish from yesterday, and that one looks like yours from today.
Memories don't weigh you down. They carry you.
Wow! Look at the colors, Bear! It's sparkling!
It is quite magnificent.
I understand now. I'm the wish I've been chasing. And now you'll help others find theirs.
Wow, Bear! Look at you! You look amazing! I didn't know I could be like that. You already are. The mirror just reminds you.
Each note you trust becomes a step.
I might need a bigger note.
they ever know I cared?
Goodbyes travel slower, but they do arrive.
It's beautiful, Bear. It really worked.
Sometimes, to remember joy, you must sip it slowly.
Look, Bear. It's flying all by itself. Where is it taking us?
You were always the author, even while sleeping.
It's not there. Wait, it is.
Belief builds bridges the eyes can't see.
This one is yours, little one. It's time to let the encouragement out.
I needed to hear this back then.
But now is not too late. Stillness is not silence, it's attention.
I didn't know kindness could fly. It always could. You just had to let it go. It's beautiful.
Are the bells going to ring now?
I'm ready now.
Then let time sing for you.
These are all moments we didn't even know mattered.
Every kindness weaves a strand.
I used to think my voice didn't matter, but it was always the melody that others needed. Every step forward echoes further than you think.
Then let's keep climbing.
Be kind to one another.
Always help those in need. A small act of kindness. Every kindness become an echo that never fades.
I never thought anyone noticed.
Even unfinished dreams deserve light.
Maybe it's not too late to try again.
Be kind to one another.
Always help those in need. A small act of kindness.
I remember this. I used to dance without fear. And maybe you still can.
Dream and remember, soft as the glowing ember. Every song once meant something. I remember this song. Mom used to sing it.
You always stood by me.
You never saw how strong you looked to me.
Plant it with truth, and it will bloom with meaning.
This memory, I thought it was gone. Look, Bear! They're all waking up!
I'm sorry I never said it, but I still think of you.
Sometimes saying it late is still worth it. Dreams never die. They rest. I'm ready to wake them up.
You can't move forward with the weight of what ifs. I forgive me.
Hope is meant to be passed on.
I'll carry it forward.
You've entered the Hourwood. Here, memories bloom before they happen. Even the dreams you outgrew still remember you.
Look at them all. They're singing. It's beautiful, Bear. Can you hear it?
That was me, before I got scared to speak. I forgot she existed.
It tickles.
Laughter is the strongest bridge across the deepest divides. Joy builds what fear breaks.
Memories move again when someone cares to rewind them.
Shine bright, little light. Fly high.
The brighter your words, the higher they fly.
First steps are the rarest kind of courage. Shine bright, little light. Fly high.
This is where the warmth stays, even after all this time. Go on, take a look.
I can hear my grandma's voice.
Let's begin again.
Truth can pass the gate. What have you forgotten?
I once believed I had to be strong alone, but I don't.
Wow, Bear! Look at the lights! It's so beautiful! Can we ride the train now?
You're not alone. I hear you.
Wow, Bear! Look at the lights! It's so beautiful! Can we ride the train now?
Each shard is a story healed.
Even lost hearts find their way together.
The forest dreams in light renewed, where ain't finish it, and someone's heart may finally rest.
Trees remember where voices go.
I remember now, I was loved.
Look, Bear, it's glowing! Oh, wow, I remember this one. It is quite lovely, isn't it? I love you, Bear.
I love you too, little one.
To light the way for someone else.
Look, Bear, it's glowing! Oh, wow, I remember this one. It is quite lovely, isn't it?
Do you think they see us from up there?
I think they're cheering us on.
Thank you for guiding us home.
Your light will guide others now.
Do you think this place remembers us? Or maybe...
It remembers what we forgot.
Choose your memory. Each spin brings back a wish lost to time.
I remember this. I wished for wings.
Did one of these carry your wish away? Wishes live in the paths we forgot to walk.
I used to sing this to the stars. Every wish filled with hope remains.
The stars remember more than we do.
Even silent dreams echo forever.
It's my lullaby. I thought it was lost. We've been here before, in a dream. Don't stop dreaming, even when you grow up. It's... the sound of courage. Your heart still remembers the hues. We were so small, but so full of wonder.
Every true wish still burns.
Even missed chances still shape us.
It's never too late to finish writing our story. Every small good thing echoes forever. Look, Bear! They're flying! It's so beautiful! They were never truly lost.
We helped them remember. And in doing so, we remembered too.
Even paintings can't resist a good laugh. Thank you for letting me be heard again. Some promises still lead us forward.
Each one still wants to shine.
You were always loved. Silent wishes still matter.
We're all connected, even if we forget.
Look, Bear! They're beautiful! They're everywhere! They were waiting for us to believe again. Look how far we've come, Bear.
Bear?
Every wish remembered becomes a light for others.
It's like childhood is spinning back to us.
Time didn't forget. It just waited.
We carry their joy forward.
I forgot how fun forgetting could be.
Even tears held joy we forgot. Every heart needs a soft place to rest. It's laughter, frozen in time.
Let's never outgrow joy again.
This is the joy we thought we lost.
You remembered joy and gave it new life.
We'll never really leave, will we?
Goodbye doesn't mean forgetting.
Look! We brought the wish back! Even if they forget,
We'll remember.
we'll remember. It's beautiful! Is he real? Look at the lights!
It all began with a forgotten wish.
Now their wishes live here too.
Every dream finds its sky.
for the ones we almost forgot.